Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through these simple steps to unpin a chat on WhatsApp using the desktop app. If you've pinned a conversation to keep it at the top of your chat list but no longer need it there, this tutorial will help you remove it with ease. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see your list of chats. Once the app is open, take a moment to locate the pinned chat that you want to unpin. Pinned chats are always displayed at the top of your chat list, making them easy to find. Next, move your cursor over the pinned chat. Once you've identified the conversation you want to unpin, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply choose the option labeled Unpin. With just one click, the chat will be removed from its pinned position and returned to its regular spot in your chat list, sorted by the time of the last message received. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a chat on WhatsApp for PC. This quick and easy process helps you stay organized and lets you manage your conversations based on what's currently most important to you. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance unpinning their chats on WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.